fishing around in the water because we saw some big catfish, and this is the second one we've caught. It's really, really big, and it's a cell catfish because of his long fins over here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated if we catch another one. Fish on. Yeah, it's a catfish. It's sailfish. Big sailfish. Yeah, it's the second one we caught. It's a sailfish. Then the first one was a little catfish. Okay guys, so we're using some little minnows that my sister caught right here on the dock. They're live minnows. Please like and subscribe from the Bluefish. Thank you for watching.